Australia, the man with the turn-down hat. All over this country, his songs spread afar, and his travelling showed you the dirt beyond the tar. Success was his master, he'd surpassed his lifelong goal. The man who was Australia, the man touched our heart and soul. And he'll not be forgotten, he reigned as the king. His heart bled